Assalamu alaikum, marhaban, hello Arabic language fans. Welcome to a new episode. In this episode, we will talk about the golden phrases, the important phrases at the very beginning. The phrases that you need to know if you don't have any information or any prior experience in Arabic language. These are typical phrases that you need to know in order to ask about things, to gain information, and so on. So, these are very important. Concentrate and stay with me. The first one, of course, is the greeting. The greeting, we say Salamu alaikum, we say Marhaban, we say Ahlan. All these are said in modern standard Arabic. In Egyptian, we also say the same. Say Salamu alaikum, we say Salamu alaikum. The same thing, but just different pronunciation. We say Ahlan, Ahlan wa Sahlan. A lot in Egypt. أهلا وسهلا. What is this? What is this in modern standard Arabic? ما هذا. ما هذا. ما هذا. So usually you say ما هذا in order for someone to give you information about something. In Egyptian you say إيه ده. إيه ده. إيه ده. And my kid, 10 month old, usually to refer to things and say da, 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 da. So da is like a da. He starts to pronounce and starts to know what the things, what are these things. So refer to things and say da. So a da, a da. What is this? What is this? Or ma hada in modern standard Arabic. Also, a very important phrase I want you to know is I want to know. I want to know. I want to know in modern standard Arabic is أنا أريد أن أعرف. I أريد want to know أعرف or أن أعرف. أنا أريد أن أعرف. أنا أريد أن أعرف. If you want to say it in Egyptian dialect, you say simply أنا عايز أعرف. So instead of أريد أن, you say عايز. So this is just a dialect of Egypt of the word of the verb to know, to want. يريد. عايز. أنا عايز أعرف. أنا عايز أعرف. أنا أريد أن أعرف modern standard Arabic. أنا عايز أعرف in Egyptian dialect. Also a very important phrase that is very familiar and very common when you say what's up. So what's up, guys? What's up? Any news? And so what's up in Arabic, in modern standard Arabic, هل هناك جديد? هل هناك جديد? So هل هناك is there جديد, something new, جديد or جديد. We say جديد or جديد. So جديد, anything new. In modern standard Arabic, in dialect, Egyptian dialects of Cairo, we don't say this, but we say إيه الأخبار? What are the news? So news, الأخبار. Any news, إيه الأخبار? Instead of هل هناك جديد, we also say في جديد. في is there, in. في جديد, is there anything new? So just instead of هل هناك, we say في. So في جديد. Also a very important set of questions. How to questions. How to is how كيف. So how to write كيف أكتب. How to read كيف أقرأ. How to pronounce كيف أنطق. So كيف, how, كيف. These are modern standard Arabic. In dialect, instead of كيف, we say إزاي. Instead of كيف, we don't have كيف as an article. We say إزاي. So إزاي أقرأ instead of أقرأ. إزاي أكتب. إزاي أنطق. We don't say أنطق. أنطق in modern standard Arabic. We make it easier to pronounce. أنطق. أنطق from here. So something also very important I want you to learn. When you want to write something, you ask, please write this for me. Write this for me. So write this for me in modern standard Arabic. من فضلك. In modern standard Arabic, please write this for me. So please من فضلك. Please من فضلك. Write this. اكتب هذا لي. Or اكتب لي هذا. So both works. So write this for me. اكتب لي هذا من فضلك. اكتب, write, لي, for me, هذا, this, من فضلك, please. In Egyptian, as I told you, sometimes we use different words, sometimes we use the existing words but with different pronunciation to make it easier to pronounce. So write this for me please. Instead of in modern standard Arabic اكتب هذا لي or اكتب لي هذا, we say اكتب لي ده. ده. So as I told you, you remember that we said ما هذا إيه ده. So هذا is ده in Egyptian. So اكتب لي ده. اكتب لي ده من فضلك. Instead of من فضلك we say من فضلك. So اكتب لي ده من فضلك. اكتب لي ده من فضلك. Write this for me please. اكتب لي ده من فضلك. The last phrase, call me. Call me. So call me, اتصل بي. يتصل to communicate in Arabic, in modern standard Arabic. So it also works for calling by phone or by cell phone. So call me, اتصل بي. اتصل بي. Call me or communicate with me. اتصل بي. This is modern standard Arabic. In Egyptian dialect we say اتصل بيا. اتصل بيا. So اتصل. Instead of be we say بيا. اتصل بيا. One final note before you end is that don't be intimidated by the difference between the modern standard Arabic and the Egyptian Arabic. This is totally normal. The Arabic dialects are different from the modern standard Arabic, and I declared this in my previous videos. What you need to know is to know exactly what are the phrases that are being said and know it as it is. For the dialect, this is very important, because in the dialect there's no big grammar rules as in the standard language. And I also had some videos that we discussed together if modern standard Arabic or dialect would be, which one should we start with and which one should be more effective to start. This is another video I really recommend it for you to see. At the end of this session, I am very happy that you know these phrases now, and don't hesitate to write to me in the comment section, and also don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and stay tuned. Also check my social media, Facebook, also check Twitter. I also have all this information there. Thanks a lot for your watching, and see you in future videos.